As we age, it becomes increasingly important to take care of our heart. In this video, we will explore 10 superfoods that can significantly contribute to heart health, helping you maintain a vibrant and active life well into your 50s and beyond. Before we dive into these hearty, healthy superfoods, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips for a healthier life. 1. Blueberries. At the top of our list are blueberries, a true superstar for heart health. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which can reduce blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Additionally, their high fiber content aids in lowering cholesterol levels, a key factor in heart health. Including blueberries in your health can boost your cardiovascular well-being. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, play a crucial role in promoting heart health. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, acting as a shield for your heart. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and slow the buildup of plaque in your arteries. They also help regulate your heartbeat and reduce the risk of heart rhythm disturbances. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week can be a significant step in safeguarding your heart as you age. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are powerhouses for heart health. These greens are packed with essential nutrients, including potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. They are also rich in dietary fiber, aiding in reducing cholesterol levels and maintaining a healthy weight. The abundance of antioxidants in leafy greens protects your heart from oxidative stress. Incorporating these greens into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your cardiovascular well-being. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are heart-healthy snacking options. They are rich in heart-healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels. They are also a great source of fiber, aiding in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and reducing cholesterol. Specific examples like almonds, which are packed with vitamin E, act as antioxidants for your heart, while flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids and soluble fiber. Including a handful of these in your daily routine can work wonders for your heart. 5. Oats. Oats are a heart-healthy breakfast option known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. They're packed with soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. By doing so, they lower the risk of heart disease. Oats also contain antioxidants that contribute to better heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal or incorporating oats into your diet can be a simple yet effective step toward a healthier heart. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a staple in the Mediterranean diet known for its heart-healthy benefits. Using olive oil in cooking is a great way to support heart health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats also have anti-inflammatory properties, protecting your blood vessels and improving heart function. Consider making olive oil your go-to cooking oil to enjoy its heart-boosting advantages. 7. Berries. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are known for their heart-healthy qualities. They are loaded with antioxidants, which act as bodyguards for your cardiovascular system. These antioxidants protect your heart from oxidative stress, inflammation, and damage to your blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in your cereal, or as part of a dessert, these colorful gems are a tasty way to boost your heart health. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, can have potential heart-healthy properties. It is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that can improve heart health. These compounds may enhance blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of blood clots. However, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can be a delightful treat that also benefits your heart. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice are essential components of a heart-healthy diet. They are packed with nutrients, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, which help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing bad cholesterol levels and improving overall heart health. Whole grains also provide a steady release of energy, which can help maintain a healthy weight. Incorporating whole grains into your meals, such as quinoa salads or brown rice dishes, is a smart and tasty way to support your cardiovascular well-being. 10. Avocado. Finally, we can't forget about avocados, nature's butter. Rich in heart-healthy fats and essential nutrients, avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also an excellent source of potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure. The great thing about avocados is their versatility. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or as a topping for various dishes. Don't forget to include avocados in your diet to promote a healthy heart. Taking care of your heart is essential as you age, and incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can significantly contribute to heart health. Whether it's the antioxidants in berries, the heart-healthy fats in fatty fish, or the cholesterol-lowering properties of oats, these superfoods can help you maintain a vibrant and active life well into your 50s and beyond. So take those small steps towards a healthier heart and enjoy the benefits of a heart-healthy diet. What's your favorite heart-healthy superfood from our list? And how do you like to incorporate it into your diet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and always remember that your well-being is the ultimate treasure. Here's to a life filled with vitality and abundant health.